So I got this new static grass applicator. I'm going to show you how it works. You turn it on, actually, right? It has an on and off switch, which is nice, right? And then a button that activates it. The charger, which you really don't even need it. It's got so much power. A lot of power. You just shake it, right? Look at it standing up. I mean, I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to... So this is 4mm grass, right? So I'm going to show you... Right. I don't even have the... You can kind of see it, right? See it sticking up, right? If you get it too close to the tracks, I don't even have the wand, the grounder thing over there. But look at it, how it just picks it all up. It is like, it's awesome. This thing does an awesome job. Next I'll show you what it is and everything else about it. So what I do is I just stick it back. I have these trays. You get them at the, you get them when you buy meat. In this case, chicken thighs, a whole thing of chicken thighs. It fits perfectly in there. That's what I use to store models in too when I'm working on them. So it's going to get a little loud. First I suck up all the loose stuff around it and just dump it back in. I put a piece of paper towel between my little vacuum. That way it still gets flow and so, I don't know how, Jern Jip, I don't know. I got it on Amazon, 30,000 volts, do not touch the metal screen. So, this is it, comes with two other screens. One is for 4mm grass, one is for 1mm grass, and just the opening is bigger. So I am using the 2mm grass one, and that's it. And let me take the top off and show you what it's like inside. So I'm running off of batteries, but it comes with a wall wart too, so you can plug it in if you wanted to. But it takes one 9-volt battery, and you see what it's doing with one 9-volt battery. It is like standing up grass like incredibly. I think you would have no problem standing up 7mm. I don't know. I don't have any 12mm grass, and I'm not going to go buy any just to show you if it'll work. But I have no doubt. I do have some 7mm, and I will do a little sample of 7mm because I don't think I want 7mm on my layout. I have 4 and 2. Hold on. So I think, I'm not sure what the other static grass applicators are like inside the cup. I think that center part really makes it strong and able to stand up tall grass from a distance. And like I said, I wasn't even using that grounding rod, that grounding part at one point. But yeah, I love it, man. It's awesome. Throws out some juice, that's for sure. I'll put a link to it in this little video, and you go check it out on Amazon. It was like $67 for all this. The Woodland Scenics one, yeah, the cup is bigger. It's a little different, but that's like $90, and it doesn't come with the power supply. I think this is pretty good. You don't want to fill it too much either, so that's what the directions say. I don't know. But I'll put a link to it. You check it out if you want.